In Twidget, every modification you make in our no-code builder is meticulously documented and stored as a change. Whether you are creating an input or editing a command, each action is captured in the platform. Changes will not go live until they are published. Let's add a few changes to this function. We'll add an input and a create variable command. We'll also give the variable a text value. You can see the number of changes increasing in the Changes button. To view all of the changes, let's click on it. This opens the Change History sidebar. This sidebar displays the list of changes since the last publish. Each change contains information on what change was made, who made the change, and when the change was made. By clicking on a change and selecting Revert Change, you can revert back to a specific state before the change was made. You can revert a single change or multiple changes. Let's revert the last change. As you can see, the value of the variable has returned to its default null state, and the change amount has decreased by 1. Let's navigate back to the Change History sidebar. You also have the ability to revert all documented changes. This takes you back to the state of the last publish and deletes all of the changes. If we make a new change, in this case, creating a variable, and then we publish the change, this clears the change history. Any new change we make from here will count as the first change. Let's give the variable a value. If we now revert all changes, the function will return to its state at the time of the publish, which includes the created variable. To summarize, every modification in Twidget is documented as a change and can be selectively or entirely reverted. Changes are retained until published, helping you maintain control over function states and modifications.